All right, all right, all right. Before we get started, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. I appreciate it. Hit me up on Twitter at trading_off. And when I'm done, hit the road. Um, all right, so what we're looking at here, the market's still going. And I mean, we still have about 10 minutes, but I'm wrapping it up because I want to see what Biden has to say. Um, I don't know. I got to remain neutral to tell you the truth. I mean, if we break this high next week, we could probably push up. Um, I mean, I don't like the look of the trend. But I guess I'm going to have to stay neutral. It's really not telling me anything. I mean, as far as the next 10 minutes go, you know how it is. The market could be anywhere in 10 minutes. It looks like it's starting to tank again. I mean, yeah, at one point we were down like 2 points, and then it turned around and took a nosedive again. So, but that volatility is because of it's the third Friday of the month, and you have a major option expiration today. So that's a big reason for a lot of the volatility. A lot of fear going into the weekend. No reason to hang on to positions and carry that risk with Putin. And we got to see what he does. I'm not too convinced that he's going to make that move. I don't think I mean, it just doesn't make sense. You know, I mean, he may take it to the brink, but it's not a problem until it's a problem. Here's the weekly. I don't really like the way the weekly looks. It looks like we have another move down. We're kind of fighting with that 364 area. I mean, 43, 47 area. Um, if we can hold that, I think we're looking pretty good. Otherwise, we're going to go and test this low right here. What fears me is we got some gaps down here, man. We get slammed with some bad news over the weekend. We'll probably take out these gaps at around 4,397 and 3,909. I'd rather not see that happen, but it's certainly a possibility. So it's something we have to pay attention to. I wish we had a better news going into the weekend so everybody can enjoy the weekend, but this is the case. And if you're trading, actually, it doesn't really hurt you much. Let's take a quick look at the 10-year, and the 10-year is actually grinding back a little bit, which should be good for equity. So if we don't get an invasion over the weekend, we may very well see growth stocks and tech stocks make a move up and eat up some of the loss that we recently had this week on Tuesday. So we'll keep an eye out for that. The VIX with the move down today wasn't too aggressive, and overall, you know what? I'd say it's. I mean, the momentum is kind of bullish. Some of the price action looks a little bearish, so we would go neutral, which makes sense if we're neutral in the market. Take a look at AMC. See you real soon. Oh, look at that. And it broke that trend line we were talking about this morning. That would have been a good trade. Hop in there and take that biatch down. I mean, it's not terrible. It's nothing aggressive. Actually, we could get rid of this trend line right there, and provided it doesn't go any lower today, we could just put a support right in there, and it looks like it's gearing up to break it. But if it doesn't break that support, you might be able to catch a trade on the way up. But I would take a break of this low right here, which is 1766, and then I'd say you had a target of about 1707 and then 1602. So keep your eyes open for that. And that's on the 60-minute chart we're looking at. And then we go to Bitcoin. Dink, 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 dink. We had that upward trend. Didn't quite work out. This is a little too steep, to tell you the truth. And it broke there, and it broke at the end. I don't really like that, so I'm not going to do that. I think I'm going to wait to see if we make another little bottom. But that's what I would watch. Actually, I would even get rid of that now and just watch this high right here next week and say, okay, so right now you just have a trading range um, of here, and I don't see anything really going on. You could probably put a a midline in there, which is around where it is right now, and then trade it breaking the midline back and forth. But that's it. I'm about neutral here. It looks like everybody's backing off everything, getting into the weekend, and waiting on Putin, see if he makes any moves. We got the Fed on the 13th, so I mean, there's a lot of reasons to just stay away, and that's what it looks like is happening here. So that's going to be it for me, man. Check out Putin at not Putin, Biden at 4 o'clock. He'll be speaking. See what he has to say. How you feel about the market? We'll get together on Monday and see what the week looks like, or Tuesday rather. So enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your family. Everybody be at peace. And I'm not wishing you luck trading until Monday morning.